Here is how you can change your Epic Games password. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Epic Games password. So let's start. First of all, open any browser and go to the official website of Epic Games. After that, log into your account and you'll come to a page like this. Now go to the profile like icon on the top of your page. Then after, click on account. As you open settings, click on password and security from the left hand side. Then after, you will find a screen like this. Now enter the new password that you want to set. Make sure to enter the password following these criteria. After that, retype the new password and click on save changes. As you do that, your password will be successfully changed. Since I typed some random letters, it is showing as an error on my screen. However, in your case, your password will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change and edit password of your Epic Games account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.